The main attraction here is the chance to dance. For a young male, it's the very first opportunity to find a mate. He needs to channel some of the Latin flair and flamboyance on show here. It helps to look good too. The next move could be make or break, mate or wait another year. These moves are certainly turning heads. This female likes what she sees. They take centre stage together. She'll score him. On technique, top marks are awarded with a frond of waterweed called milfoil, which he dutifully returns. Even a blustery lake can set the scene for a glorious romance that gives their species hope.